Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Harman Kardon Omni 20 Plus speaker with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, we have to plug this cable in this place to the power entry, and the second end to the power supply. Yeah, that's very simple and obvious. And next, when you do this, we can find this reset button, as you can see. So what we have to do, we have to click and hold this reset button and take a look for this indicator right here. It will start blinking and also it will turns just like that. We have to hold this reset button until this LED ring disappear. There we go. Right now it starts blinking, so we can simply reset. We don't have to hold this button anymore and just take a look on this indicator one more time. It will start blinking after a few moments, so we have to wait for it. There we go. Right now it is in the setup mode or pairing mode, however you call it. So right now on our Android device, we have to simply go to the Bluetooth settings, go to the pair new device, and select Harman Kardon Omni 20 Plus speaker from available devices list. Accept the pairing. Okay, so as you can see, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video.